wanted to make a quick video about using this Kärcher OC-3 for cleaning my bike, as I don't have easy access to mains water here. So I bought one of these 2 years ago and it works pretty well. It's got a 5 litre capacity, which lasts long enough to wash your bike. I'm using some monkey juice at the moment to wash Dennis. It smells like bananas. The Kärcher's bearing friendly as well, so you can use it on wheel bearings without a problem. It's not massively powerful. We've got a little under half the water left. Probably won't clean the rims today because I can't really be arsed. And yeah, everything stores neatly back in the base. So once you've cleaned your bike, it's fairly compact. Takes about an hour to charge, lasts about 10 minutes. And then I'll put ACF on the swing arm and clean the rims if I can be bothered, and job's done. Anyone who knows MT-07s will know that they're prone to rust on the swing arm and everywhere else. So I like to put a bit of ACF on the problem areas when I give it a wash. This has been a super lazy clean. I just wanted to demo the Kärcher a bit. But for 10 minutes work, it looks alright. I think that'll do it.